Put oregano on your feet and see what happens. You need to know this wonderful advice. Once you know it, you will tell it to your whole family. We have all had a bad smell on our feet. This is due to bacteria and fungi that cause the bad smell. Many people have tried everything to remove those annoying fungi and have not been able to achieve it. If that is your case, pay attention, since this homemade advice is for you. To start, we will need a container similar to this. Then we add 5 tablespoons of oregano. If you prefer, you can use it as you want, both in leaves and ground. Then we pour it into a medium-sized pot. And we add a liter of water. Now we cover and take it to the stove. We will let it boil for about 3 minutes. Once the time has passed, we turn off and let it rest a little to cool. Then we move on to another container, and if you did it with whole oregano, use a strainer to separate the leaves. Next, we will add a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar is a good ally to eliminate and avoid the presence of fungi in the feet. The acidity of this compound restores the balance of pH and relieves the symptoms caused by fungi. We mix until these 2 ingredients are well integrated, and then we reserve. We will need a bottle of sodium bicarbonate, of which we will add 5 tablespoons in a container. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting. Bicarbonate is excellent for treating fungi in the nails of the feet and hands, as it has great alkaline and antiseptic properties. In addition, sodium bicarbonate has a powerful exfoliating action, very useful for restoring the skin of the feet. Now that we know its benefits, I will explain how to use it. In a large container, we place the 2 feet. We add the liquid of the oregano that we reserved at the beginning. And now we add the sodium bicarbonate to the feet or in the area of the nails. Then we will let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that time, we leave the feet outdoors for another 10 minutes. Repeat this process twice a week. With this advice, you will have eliminated the bad smell of the feet and fungi once and for all. If you got to this part of the video, leave me the phrase, "No more fungi," so I will know that you stayed until the end.